Everybody, it's your girl Ariel, aka Abby, coming back at you with another video. And yes, I am bald because we're gonna be doing a braided wig, and it's been going around, it's been like trending and whatever. I feel like my makeup is not adequate. Just one second, let me just fix this. Okay, I tried to retouch my makeup, but it's not really doing anything. I'm sorry, but this is the makeup that we dealing with. So first I just want to show you guys like a really quick recap of how I did this bald cap method. So I put the cap over my head. I like cut little tabs for my ears so that it could hold the bald cap. So it could hold the cap really well, and then I pull it down as much as, well, a fair amount, and then I sprayed Got2b spray. I blow dried it until completely dry, and then I did a second layer, which I don't think I showed on camera, and I blow dried it until it was completely dried. Then I cut it. Then I cut it with scissors as close to the dry point as possible. This sounds so weird when I'm speaking. Anyway, then I cut it to as close. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. Then I took my scissors and I cut off the excess cap, and I got as close to the hairline as possible. And then I took my fancy foundation in the shade 385 if you were curious, and I just took a sponge that I don't use for my face and I just dabbed it on there, and voila, here we are with a bald head. Now I'm just gonna take my wig. I cut the lace at the front. Booyakasha. So this is what we dealing with right now. I do not want to glue this down because I have another video to do after this. So what we're gonna do is a glueless method. Okay, that took forever, but these are some long baby hairs, so we're gonna cut them. I'm gonna take the scissors and I'm gonna cut it because it's a little ridiculous, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna cut too much, we'll do it gradually because I don't know how much you really need. But for now, these ain't no baby hair, these are some grown folk hair, so we gonna cut them. Just like that. This is my favorite mousse right now. It is by Tresemme. You could get it, I literally get it at my grocery store. If you live in Montreal, you know what Super C is, so I get it at Super C. But we're gonna take some of that. Ideally you shouldn't have any makeup on your forehead, but I do have makeup on my forehead. We're gonna ignore that and just pray for the best. Okay, so I'm just gonna these are quite thick, so anyway, we're gonna do this bit by bit. I think I'm gonna still thin this out. Cut that some more. Okay, that ain't bad. That ain't bad at all. I'm gonna cut this too. Ideally I would glue this down. I would stick this down. As you can see, the air tabs are pretty good, but because I don't want to glue it down, it's just gonna stay up today, so I won't be pulling it up in one. I'm just gonna leave it down, but you can definitely glue it down so that you can, you know, pull it up like that. I just don't want to deal with glue right now. I really don't. So same thing for this side. As you can see, you just have to pull it down, glue it, or use the Got2b freeze spray, and then you could put it up in one, whatever. I will do that one day, but just not today. Now, I must admit, I do admit these baby hairs are a little bit thicker than what I'm used to. Usually I do very light ones on wigs. On my natural hair, I go crazy. But for wigs, I try to keep it as natural looking as possible. But I just don't know how else to thin this out. I do know, guys, I'm lazy, okay? You should know that by now. Anyway, that's it for that application. Yo, the scalp on this is so lit. Like, look at that. That looks like, okay, just ignore the side tabs that I'm too lazy to glue down, but look at that. I'm coming right back. I'm just gonna get some boiling hot water to dip the ends, because this is how the ends look right now. And I'm gonna change my lens so y'all can see better. Okay, so I have hot water, boiled water. Why did I say like hot water? We're not from the States. I have some hot water and I'm about to dip these ends, because as you can see, they're kind of frayed. Like, I don't know what exactly is going on with these ends, so we're just gonna regulate that. Then I'm just gonna take a towel and take this out, because I'm not trying to burn myself, so I'm gonna come off camera and then show you guys how it looks after I'm done. That's how they look after being dipped. It's really long. I love how long these braids are. This is usually the length I get when I do my regular braids. Anything longer than this, I cannot do. I don't know how you girls be doing it all the way down to your knees. So of course you guys don't have to do baby hairs. As you can see, the scalp is perfect. So if you don't want to do baby hairs at all, you don't have to. You could just glue it down. I would use Got2b spray to stick this down on a regular day, but I'm not trying to do that. We're trying to do a glueless method. And for glueless, yeah, it's pretty, it's looking pretty natural. These braids are so well done. I don't know who braided it. Whoever braided these braids did a really good job. Like, they're super, 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 super neat. So you don't have to worry about them being like loose and, you know, like those bad looking braids. Nah, let me show you. Look, I hope this is like a good view. Look how neat that is. Super neat. So that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this style, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts, if you're gonna get it, if you're gonna cheat and not sit down for 7 to 8 hours to get these small long box braids done and just throw on a wig and get out of here. Because listen, sis, time is money and we got money to make. We got coins to make. I'm joking, but let me know if you guys are interested in doing something like this. If you're down, I've never done it before and I think it's pretty dope. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you share this video, share it on Facebook, on Instagram, through your text messages, on WhatsApp to your aunties down in whatever country. Make sure you share this video, and of course you subscribe to join the gang so we can hang. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Love you guys so much. Peace. Should I do a giveaway for this wig? Do any of you guys want this wig? Should I give it away? Thoughts. I'm just thinking, like, I didn't do anything for us hitting 90K. Do any of you guys want this wig? Y'all know I'll give it to you. Let me know if I should do a giveaway for this. It's a really dope wig. Like, it's really nice. And I clearly have only worn it here. I'm not gonna wear it outside. Let me know if any of you guys want it, and I won't wear it outside, so it'll still be brand new. Yeah, let me know. Let me know if y'all want this in a giveaway, okay? Let me know.